organized and also having a lot of data storage and high qualities led by manufacturing and also healthcare sectors. So those are the strengths of the Japanese data. On the other hand, for India's side, I think the speed and also the scale, this is definitely the strength of the development in India for sure. Even talking with the customers in India, they are really keen to invest for their technologies. I think Japanese companies are a bit more conservative on that point for sure. So I really feel like such kind of dynamic scalability from Indian companies.